Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a poster in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic way to design professional-looking posters for events, promotions, or any visual project you have in mind, all without needing advanced design skills. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access the platform. Adobe Express provides a streamlined interface that makes poster creation accessible to everyone, regardless of your design experience. After logging in, you'll land on the Adobe Express homepage. Look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it. From the options that appear, select Poster. This action will open up the poster creation workspace where all the magic happens, giving you access to templates and design tools specifically tailored for poster projects. Now, direct your attention to the upper left panel where you'll find a search bar. This search function is incredibly useful for finding templates that match your vision. Type in your preferred template category, for example, retail posters, then press enter on your keyboard. Adobe Express will instantly display a variety of template options that fit your search criteria, saving you time and giving you plenty of creative starting points. Browse through the results and select your preferred poster template by clicking on it. The template will load into your workspace, giving you a fully editable design foundation to build upon. These templates are professionally designed, so they provide an excellent structure even if you're just starting out. If you want to change any image in the template, simply click on the image you wish to replace. Once selected, navigate to the top toolbar and click on the trash icon to remove it. This clears the space for your own custom image, allowing you to personalize the poster completely. Next, in the left panel, click on Upload. A dialog box will appear prompting you to select the file you want to add from your computer. Browse your files, choose your image, then click Open. Your selected image will be added to the poster, ready to be positioned and adjusted. Now, resize the image based on your preferences. Click and drag the corners of the image to scale it up or down, ensuring it fits perfectly within your poster layout. Adobe Express makes this process smooth with intuitive drag and drop functionality so you can achieve the exact look you're going for. You can also edit any text elements by clicking directly on the text you want to modify. Once selected, simply rename the text to whatever message you need to convey. Whether it's a headline, event details, or promotional copy, customizing the text ensures your poster communicates exactly what you intend. Finally, to adjust the text color, go back to the left panel and click on the color picker. This tool allows you to choose your preferred text color from a wide palette, ensuring your text stands out and matches your overall design aesthetic. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom poster in Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.